Hi there, and today we're going to use the Python Turtle drawing program. So first of all, we're going to import the module import turtle. So we're just going to import this into our program. That's the drawing module that we'll be using. So I'm going to call this turt is equal to turtle dot pen, and this is the pen that we're going to be using to do the drawing. Okay, so turt dot write 75. So we're going to tell the pen to turn right 75. I've forgotten what those are. Is that pixels? To draw 75 pixels? I'm not sure. I've forgotten what those are, but you will see when I launch the program. So it's going to turn right 75, and then it's going to draw a line turt dot forward 100, because we're going to draw a star. This is what it's all about. So it's going to draw a line forward 100. Okay, now we want it to do this a few times over, so we're going to have to use a for loop here. So I'm going to say for x in range of 4. Okay, so we're going to do it 4 times. Turt dot write 144 144, and turt dot forward. Okay, and that's going to be 100 100, and we're going to do turt dot done or finished. Okay, now what we're going to do, we're just going to save this here. I'm just going to make that a little bit smaller, so if the turtle program pops up, we should be able to see it here. Okay, now I'm going to run the program. There we go, drawing a nice star for you. So that's the Turtle graphics program. I hope you enjoyed it. You can see here, whoops, there we go. We can also run it without this. I think this causes a problem sometimes, so let's just try that. Let's close that again. Let's run it this time. Yeah, there we go. Okay, and we've got more favorable output there. Okay, so there you go, there's the star. And that's just a short introduction to the Turtle drawing program. I hope you enjoyed that, and as always, Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. Catch you in another video. Bye-bye.